Dancing, dancing, dancing through the snow, and I don't have no sleigh. Off the really go, laughing on the way. Ha 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 ha. Trucking ain't always gravy, baby. Take the good, the bad, and the ugly with this. Show you a little bit of the ugly. Real ugly out here. Gotta ride and slide though. Yay, yay! Lunch break time. It's one of them days I don't feel like doing nothing. Feel like driving across the street. That's all part of trucker life. There be some days you wanna roll, and there's some days you don't feel like doing shit. And this is a day I don't feel like doing shit. But guess what? I'm still gonna bust it down in my favorite trucking spot. Yeah. It's starting to come up on the other side of the highway. The traffic got to stand still for miles on the other side. Man, it's crazy, man. The river's overflowing. I just got to Kentucky. Holy shit, per usual. See? But I'm a little bit too far back, but you know the craziest thing about the state of Kentucky, because this ain't my first time being here. I've been here a few times. I drove all over and I can't find not one damn Kentucky, right there, Kentucky fried chicken. Some bullshit. The hell they gonna name it Kentucky and they ain't got no damn fried chicken. This a little personal. When I came to, talk to the president for a minute, and look what I walked up on. God bless America. No, they need to bless their ass with a Kentucky fried chicken. Nigga want some chicken. That is a badass truck right there. Weather's terrible. Boys out too. Trucker boys, my work brothers. This damn weather, man. Man, look here. Help me, Tommy.
After 2 miles, keep left.
mixture. All right. Damn, it's cool. Be careful. Ah. Follow me. You always want to walk on solid ice. That black ice, you will bust your ass. Big warehouse. Yep, I'm straight. Back the way I came from. Bust my ass, I shall return. Follow my footsteps. Oh. It looks like the footsteps of a real nigga. I think I have found me a real nigga. Long, crazy trip, but I made it. Serve a mighty God. Made it through the snowstorm. Tired, hungry, freezing my balls off. 24 degrees, but I made it. I'm gonna drop this load and get back to Tucson, Arizona. Well, finally got unloaded. This nice, hot, beautiful day in the USA. Bullshit.com. Snow coming off the top of that truck. All it coming off the top of mine too. Born in the USA, I was born in the USA, I was born in the USA. Just me and another trucker day. I was born in the USA. Working on the train. Yeah. That's the sound of the man working on the train. That's the river. It's supposed to be way over there. It's almost to the road. That's the whole river done overflowed it towards the road. Now that's a banana. Anybody need any potassium? Snow in the middle of nowhere. All you see is land, snow, frozen damn water. All the eyes can see. About sick of this shit. But in the meantime, I'm living my best life. I ain't going back and forth with you niggas. Only good thing about being out here, you can stop and take a piss anywhere. Get back on the road. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be mine? Oh, would you be mine? I have never wanted a neighbor just like you. I wanted a neighbor, the house is blue, so won't you be my neighbor? Please be my neighbor. This is the day for the neighbors. Come back here, Alvin. Where you going, Alvin? Come here, Alvin. Won't you be my neighbor?
Bye.